Across India's sprawling road network, fleet safety remains one of the most pressing operational risks, with over 13,000 truck accidents being reported every year. Imagine giving each vehicle a high-resolution camera setup, AI-based driver monitoring, and real-time alerts the moment unsafe driver behavior occurs. So you're no longer just reacting, you're proactively intervening. At Binary Semantics, our solution deploys advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, that instantly detect overspeeding, lane departure, tailgating or hard braking, and driver monitoring system, DMS, watches for signs like distraction, mobile usage, fatigue, or driver switching, and sends live notifications to a cloud-based analytics and reduce accident rates by up to 40%. This ensures a visible shift from reactive fleet control to intelligent, data-driven oversight. Connect with us today and transform your fleet operations with AI-powered video telematics.
No order tagging, no live ERP feed. Which vehicle is due? Nobody knows. Long queues, manual verification, manual phone calls. Is this order coming? Which is next? Manual RCDL checks, driver delays, missed TAT. Congestion at Weybridge, loading confusion, no live updates. Loading bays assigned manually, confusion and errors, no live status, lost documents, compliance risk, audit stress. No central command, no real-time control. Escalations trigger, penalties mount, manual reconciliations. No analytics, no process insights. Delayed trucks, manual work, no command, risk everywhere. From ERP to execution, clean data syncs once, actions follow instantly. Logistics isn't just moving goods, it's controlling every second, every route, every risk in real time. A truck went off course, the system spots it instantly and redirects before delays even begin. Smart gates read, verify, and authorize every truck, ensuring the right vehicle enters without wasted time. Parking isn't chaos. Intelligent bays assign trucks automatically, balancing flow and preventing idle wait times. Every axle weighed, every ton logged. Accuracy delivered before a single consignment moves forward. One truck off track? Our AI agent alerts, identifies bottlenecks, and triggers instant intervention, all before human intervention. Agents don't just inspect, they remember, escalate, and adapt inspection logic over time. Emails in, invoices matched and cleared. GenAI does in minutes what once took hours. Seamless in, seamless out. That's how a plant should run with trusted digital footprint. Delivery confirmed, digitally signed, and instantly recorded. No paper, no doubt. One system, multiple moving parts, one decision maker in control. That's plant logistics, refined by Binary.
Safety isn't optional. It's the line between life and loss. For more than a decade, India has lost nearly 1,000 workers every year, a safety record that never improves. In 2021, 988 lives were lost in registered factories. Across plants, construction sites, mines, and logistics hubs, the same hazards repeat. Falls, machinery entrapments, fires, electrocutions, and unsafe vehicle movement. Traditional audits and CCTV only react after incidents. The risk is seen too late, which means action arrives too late. This is where Binary Semantics safety solutions change the equation. With AI-powered computer vision, Binary transforms ordinary cameras into real-time safety intelligence. It continuously detects and automates all operations from gate in to gate out and beyond. PPE violations, slip and fall incidents, forklift and vehicle risks, pedestrian danger proximity, unauthorized zone entry, driver fatigue and distraction, harness and height risks, cargo and material defects. Advanced driver assistance and safety alerts are instant. Insights are clear. Binary Semantics helps teams prevent incidents before they escalate, making every site more aware, more responsive, and more protected. Binary brings safety out of reports and into every moment of operations. Because the safest workplace isn't watched, it's protected. And Binary Semantics makes that protection real.